Struggling with stencil transfer on fake skin? You are not alone. Most stencils just don't work the way they do on a real skin. But today I will show you an easy method that actually sticks, and it only takes things you probably already have at home. First thing first, clean your fake skin. I'm using disinfectant spray here, just like I would on real skin. Wipe it down thoroughly to remove dust, oil, or any leftover stencil mess from before. Now, here's the trick. Forget the expensive stencil stuff. I'm using a regular deodorant. Yes, really. In this case, it's an Old Spice. Just rub a thin, even layer onto the surface. Don't soak it. Less is more here. Gently place your stencil onto the deodorant surface. Press it down evenly and don't rush. Give it a moment to transfer properly. Here's the key. Let it dry for about an hour. That's the secret to getting a stencil that sticks and doesn't smear when you wipe it. Once it's dry, gently wipe away the stencil by using a paper towel with some disinfectant. And that's it. You will have a clear, clean outline left on the fake skin. Perfect for practice. Now all you need to do is prepare your workstation. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline. This will help you stick down the ink cap. If possible, place it close to the fake skin to minimize your unnecessary hand movement. Start with a 7 or 9 round liner needle, and as your control improves, you can move it to smaller needle size. Try this method and let me know how it worked for you in the comments. If you want more particular tattoo tips for beginners, don't forget like, subscribe, and check out the other videos on the channel.